Fergus has a dedicated health and safety section in the navigation bar at the top of your screen. This is where you can access important health and safety features. Health and safety is such an important part of running a trades business, so let's jump right in and explore this section together. To get started, click on Health and Safety in the navigation bar. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu of options. Let me walk you through what each one does. First, we have the Meetings tab. This is where you can store records of your regular health and safety meetings or any one-off meetings you need to save for compliance. To add a new meeting, just click New Meeting in the top right corner. From there, you can log the meeting notes, list attendees, and even assign tasks to specific employees. Next up is SWMS, which stands for Safe Work Method Statements. These documents outline high-risk work activities, the hazards involved, and the steps to control those risks. To upload your existing SWMS, simply drag and drop them into the upload area at the top of the page, or click to select files. The datasheets section is where you upload work safety datasheets. These are great for giving your team quick access to information about hazardous substances, like what protective clothing to wear and whether additional breathing apparatus is needed. Just drag and drop your files or click to upload them. It's that easy. The Incidents section is where you can log any events that happen on site, whether it's an accident or a near miss. Logging incidents helps create a culture of accountability, identify new hazards, and improve safety practices. To add an incident, click New Incident and fill in the details, such as who was involved, what happened, and any photos you want to include. Now, let's talk about hazard templates. These templates are used to outline how to handle specific hazards on site. They can include SWMS, safety data sheets, photos, and additional information. These templates are great for quickly recording hazards for specific jobs, whether you're working from your desktop or out on site. To create a new hazard template, click New Hazard Template. Make sure you've uploaded your SWMS and data sheets first so you can easily add them to your templates. For more tips on using hazards, check out our guides on Fergus Go and Fergus Web. The Compliance Report is a super helpful tool for tracking how well your team is managing hazards. It shows the percentage of jobs where all hazards were fully mitigated, the percentage of hazards that were addressed, and links to specific jobs for each user. Plus, you can export this data as a CSV file if you need to share or analyse it further. Finally, let's look at settings. This is where you can store your health and safety policy document, record who your current health and safety officer is, and add a list of relevant medical centres. Your team can access this information through the Fergus Go app while on site. And that's it! With these tools, you're all set to manage health and safety in Fergus effectively.